Got more than 10,000 products in your store, but Google Shopping only seems to push your top 10 bestsellers? That's the dreaded bestseller trap, and it's one of the biggest challenges for e-commerce stores running Performance Max campaigns. Here is what's happening. When you run smart bidding with Performance Max, Google's algorithm naturally favors products with conversion history. That creates a winner-takes-all loop where maybe 10% of your catalog generates 90% of your sales. What about the rest of your inventory? Thousands of products never get a fair chance to be even shown. Our solution is a multi-campaign structure. To break out of the trap, you need to force Google to consider more of your catalog. We do this with a multi-campaign structure. We have a best performer campaign, your proven winners with most of the budget. We also have a testing campaign, products with some data but not yet scaled, and we have a discovery campaign that are products with 0 impressions or conversions. This setup ensures that new products actually get visibility instead of being buried under the bestsellers. However, manually sorting 10,000, 100,000 products isn't realistic. That's where automation comes in. We use custom labeling scripts in the feed. We have a best performers script, which is ROAS above target and enough spend. We have a promising products script, which is ROAS above target but not enough spend yet. And we have a no impression script, which are the products that have never been shown yet. We have the underperformer script, which are products that have been clicked on and spent but didn't generate the targeted results. This script updates the labels dynamically, so products move between segments based on their performance. This way, no product gets stuck forever. In another version of this script, we have high AOV, think at least $1,000 worth of products, and a multi-million product volume. And there, the important part of the labeling is to find items with transactions and test ones without transactions or impressions. The system also has benefits beyond Google Ads. It gives valuable information to the client as they get info on underperformers and can work on the product pricing, descriptions, images, and other elements to raise their conversion rates. It creates a cycle where marketing data informs product strategy. For example, if certain product categories consistently underperform despite testing, this might indicate pricing issues, poor descriptions, or lack of competitive advantage. These insights can definitely help the clients in their decisions. Feed optimization is critical for these to work. The multi-campaign approach only works if your product feed is optimized for visibility. None of this works without a strong product feed. Before you even split campaigns, you need to fix your feed. Your product titles should be front-loaded with critical keywords, include brand, product type, key features, and specifications. Add manufacturer part numbers when applicable. Always provide accurate GTINs if available, especially for best-selling products. For dental products specifically, use precise manufacturer part numbers that practitioners might search for. Implement a detailed 5-level hierarchy for each product if applicable. For example, instead of just saying endodontics as a broad product type, add more specific categorization like endodontics, endodontic sealers and cements, root canal sealers. Ensure the brand fields contain the actual manufacturer, not internal codes or distributors. Beyond our performance-based labels, we always consider additional segmentations based on product types, profit margins, stock status, or price ranges. This can help with your campaign structure as well. For product descriptions, we always expand minimal descriptions to at least 100 plus characters and adding the key benefits at the beginning. The practical implementation of this strategy should start with the feed optimization. Before splitting any campaigns, you need to ensure your feed meets all the critical requirements. Then the next step is to set up the labeling script. Implement the automated labeling system with appropriate ROAS spend and thresholds for your business. Once you have the script in place, you can create your segmented campaigns. Build separate Performance Max or shopping campaigns for each product segment with appropriate budget allocation. Then you can monitor and adjust. You can review the performance weekly, adjusting thresholds as needed to ensure continuous product rotation. What's also great in this structure is that you can feed information back to the client and you can let them know of what the underperformer products are. By breaking Google's default feedback loop, you give your entire catalog a chance to shine and you can test a lot more products. That means more total revenue, healthier inventory turnover, and valuable insights for your product team. If you have been stuck in the bestseller trap, don't just throw more budget at Google. Restructure, optimize, and let your whole catalog work for you. If this video was helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more Google strategies that actually move the needle. you.